hobbyist alike and all you people out there. We're going to look for and make cheap primer paint, and I'll show you that next, so stay tuned. So here we are on Home Depot, or you can even go to Lowe's, and look at all the primer paints you got. They're all water-based. I kind of like the glitz. So what you want to do is pick out one of these, get a small quart of it. I don't think you need a gallon of it or any more than that. And you want to get the little 2-ounce bottles that I showed you previously, and you can get those on eBay or Amazon. And put the paint in there, put the flow aid in there, and the thinner. Shake it up, and you got your primer. And then you can also color it with a dot of black or gray or whatever you want. So that's what I want to show you and tell you about. And I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell to the right.